Hello Xbox gamers! In this video, I'll show you how to generate daily free Xbox gift card codes worth between $5 and $100 and can be used to purchase anything from the Xbox store. Let's get started. First, visit the website www.unlimitedxbox.cc. This website is designed to generate Xbox gift card codes ranging from $5 to $100. However, keep in mind that you can only generate one code every 24 hours, so if you generate a code today, you'll need to wait 24 hours before you can generate another one. On the homepage, you'll see a Generate Code button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, the code generation process begins. Just be patient, this only takes a few moments. As you can see, the code has been successfully generated. In this example, I received a $20 gift card. Remember, your daily code could be worth anywhere between $5 and $100. Now, click on Redeem Now, then click on Next, and you'll be redirected. After logging in, your generated code will appear. Click Next, and then click Confirm to complete the redemption process. And that's it. As you can see, my Microsoft balance now shows the $20 I just redeemed. Remember, you can return every 24 hours to generate another code. Enjoy your gift cards, and happy gaming!